If you want to unsubscribe from Hostinger, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a simple, safe, and quick way. Whether you're done with a hosting plan, want to stop future charges, or just want more control over your account, turning off auto renewal is the key step you need to know. And if this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Hostinger account. You can do this by opening your browser, going to Hostinger, and signing in with the email and password linked to your account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're using the one that has the subscription you want to cancel. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu, find and click on Billing. This is where Hostinger keeps all of your payment and subscription settings, so this is the section you want to work in. After that, go to Subscriptions. This page will show you the active plans connected to your account. You may see hosting plans, domain-related services, or other products depending on what you purchased. Take a moment to identify the exact plan you want to unsubscribe from so you don't change the wrong one. Now select your plan. Clicking on the plan should open the details for that subscription, including renewal settings and billing information. This is an important step because it lets you manage the plan directly instead of guessing from the general list. Next, turn off auto renewal. This is the most important part of the process. By disabling auto-renewal, you're telling Hostinger not to charge you again when the current billing period ends. In most cases, this is what people mean when they say they want to unsubscribe. After you switch auto-renewal off, Hostinger will usually ask you to confirm your choice. Make sure you read any message carefully before you continue. If everything looks correct, confirm the change so the setting is saved properly. Once confirmed, your subscription should no longer renew automatically. That means you won't be charged again for the next billing cycle unless you manually turn the renewal back on later. It's always a good idea to double check the subscription status after confirming just to make sure the change went through. If you're unsubscribing because you no longer need the service, you may also want to review whether you have any active websites, emails, or connected services tied to that plan. That way you can avoid any surprises later on. And if you're unsure about timing, it's smart to cancel before the renewal date so you have full control over what happens next. So to recap, the process is log into Hostinger, click billing, go to subscriptions, select your plan, turn off auto renewal, and confirm. That's all it takes to unsubscribe from Hostinger the right way. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.